Now you might have a lot of Facebook page, or you created some that accidentally created it and you wanted to delete those Facebook page. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete those Facebook page and also to cancel the deletion if you change your mind many days later. But there is a time limit, okay? So I'm going to show it to you in two places. One is in computer and one is in mobile. I'm using Android. It should be quite similar with iPhone. And without further ado, let's jump straight into it and let me show you how you can delete your Facebook page. Let's go. Okay, so now I'm in front of my computer. Of course, you need to log into facebook.com. Now I'm in this Facebook profile. I want to change to the page profile, the page that I want to delete. So I just need to go here on top right, click on see all profiles. So this is the page that I want to delete. Okay, and then how do I delete this? Now I've already changed it to this profile, this page profile. So just go on the top right button again, click on settings and privacy. Click on settings, scroll all the way down, you can see access and control. Click on it. You can see here deactivate page or delete page. If you don't want to delete and you just want to deactivate it temporarily, I have a video on that, so just watch it later on. Okay, now this is to delete, so this is permanent. So you can see that you won't be able to retrieve the content, this page as well, and everything else will be deleted. So this is just a sample. Let me just show you how you can delete. Just click on here, continue. You can download information or transfer a copy of your information here. Click continue. So you have to put in your password, continue. It's written here, alright, you have 30 days. Once you submitted your page for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your page and cancel a deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any other content or information you've added. So it's written here 30 days, but if you look in the official document of Facebook, it's written here 14 days instead. So to be safe, if you were to change your mind after that, if you regret, I think, oh my goodness, I want this page again, make sure you change your mind within 14 days, just to be safe. Okay, now let's just click continue, and boom, basically now it's deleted. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can cancel the deletion of the page. You are not able to click to your page right now because when you can't find your page here. For example, just now it's the find executor, right? You won't be able to see the page anymore. So there's only one way for you to do it, is to go back to your profile. Now, all these things, deletion, it requires you to have the full access of the page, by the way. So now just go back to the top right, click on it, go to settings and privacy, go to settings, scroll all the way down, you should be able to see reactivate the page here at the left side. Click on it, then you can see here, you have 30 days after deletion to reactivate, so I'm going to reactivate here. Just reactivate, there, and then you'll be back to this page. So you can see, it's this page, Find Next Digital. So yeah, so that's how you can delete and cancel the deletion of your Facebook page through computer. Now let's jump to my phone and let me show you how you can do it in your phone. Let's go. Now I'm in my Android phone and I'm going to show you how you can do it here. Now of course, open up your Facebook app, click on the top right, change the profile to the page of the profile. Click on it, now you switch to the page profile. And now this is where you do the deletion. Click on the menu icon at the top right, scroll all the way down, go to settings and privacy, go to settings, scroll all the way down, you should be able to see access and control, click on it. So deactivation and deletion, click on this, delete page, continue. So you will take 14 days to delete, you don't delete straight away. Continue, continue. So you can download your information and things like that, or transfer information somewhere, or you can save your posts and things like that. So there's a few things you can do before you delete your account. This page has been around for a long time, so I don't mind deleting it. Click continue. Of course, you need to enter your password. Continue, continue, delete page. So just make sure that if you want to delete, you really delete it, because after 14 days, the page is gone. Okay, now how do you cancel deletion? So now the page is gone, alright? You can only cancel the deletion of the page from your main profile. So this is my main Facebook profile. Click on top right, scroll all the way down, click on settings and privacy, click on settings, scroll all the way down, you can see this audience and visibility, click on pages, reactivate your pages. So you can see here, reactivate or deactivated or scheduled for deletion pages, click on view. So this is a schedule for deletion, reactivate, and then it is reactivated. So it is that easy. Okay, so I've shown you both computer and mobile, same concept, and hope it is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do subscribe, and I see you next time in my next video. Goodbye.